What's up, friends? As many of you know, eBay's promoted listing logic has changed. I'll link a video up here of how it changed and what the updates are. But in today's video, I want to kind of walk you through a strategy that I'm trying and how to set up a campaign based off of the time that an item is listed. Unfortunately, when you're setting up campaigns, there is rule-based, but time is not one of the metrics that you can pick. And the strategy that I'm trying is if an item is recently listed, I don't want to promote it because I'm thinking, I'm testing. So stay tuned and subscribe that if it is newly listed, it's getting kind of an algorithm boost and the algorithm is putting it places. And I don't want to necessarily promote it until it's so old. Well, this is really hard to go through and manually click, or just time consuming to go through and manually click. So I want to walk you through exactly how to set up a rule-based campaign based off of time. So you're on eBay. I'm going to come up to sell, and then you want to click on advertising. Up here on the right hand corner, you can click on create a new campaign. This is going to set a new campaign. I'm going to do just general. I have other videos that walk you through how to do these, but for the sake of this video, we're just looking at, the rule based off of time. So promoted my listings, I'm doing general, and then down here, I'm going to click on add your listings. So what I was doing before is manually going through, I would go days on site, and I would go through and click all of these items. Very time consuming. Unfortunately, like I said, rule-based, the options that you have to set up a rule, time is not one of them. There's been calls with eBay, and I've sent them letters, and not letters, but I've feedback and stuff on they should add that. But until they do, what I've been doing is clicking on category, and then I do a store category. And what I've been doing is creating a store category called other. I'll probably change this to new because that would make more sense. But when I'm going through and listing new items, I put it into this store category. And so when I come in here and set up a rule, I can say, okay, I want to put everything in all of these categories that are not new. I know that these items are new. Now, I am going to have to go in however often that I am thinking is new. Probably once a month, I will go in and bulk edit. There's a video up here on how to bulk edit in eBay, but I will go through and bulk edit all of those items in the new other category. I will bulk edit them and take them out of there, and then everything new. So it is slightly more time consuming, but I can do it all in bulk. So what I'm doing here is saying, hey, promote everything that's not in the other category. And for me, that's all my new items. And then it hits create a new rule. Come down here, name my campaign, set it up for the duration that I want, and now I have a campaign set up based off of my time. If you like this video, make sure to check out some of my other videos and hit subscribe to see how this new promoted listing strategy is working for me.